IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What role does family play in your life? Band 5. Answer.
Family is important in my life because they support me and help me when I have problems. I spend time with them and we talk about daily things. They make me feel safe and comfortable.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary, repetition of common words. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences, few structures. Pronunciation. Generally clear, but not very natural. Typical of a Band 5. Safe, short, and a bit. Humdrum. Band 7.5 Answer.
Family plays a central role in my life because they give me emotional support and practical advice. I rely on them when I need guidance, and I also enjoy spending quality time together. They help keep me grounded, especially when life gets stressful.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Well organized and easy to follow. Lexical resource, good range, with phrases like emotional support. Grammar, variety of sentence structures. Pronunciation, natural with minor slips. Typical of a Band 7.5, confident, clear, and flexible. Band 9 Answer.
Family plays a fundamental role in my life, both emotionally and practically. They're my main source of encouragement, and they provide a strong sense of stability and belonging. No matter how busy life gets, I know I can always rely on them for honest advice and unconditional support.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and fully developed. Lexical resource, precise, natural vocabulary. Grammar, accurate, complex, and varied. Pronunciation, clear, natural, and confident. Typical of a Band 9, polished without sounding rehearsed. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.